open to the floor. Any questions? Any questions from members of the press? No, we are saying we are giving a time frame, tentative time frame of 5 years. But we hope the whole project will be completed within 10 years. We are looking at 245 acres of Ikano. The point is that you must also notice there's a subtle difference. There's a subtle difference because Ikano and Ikea. Ikea is only talking about retail store. Ikano, you are talking about the entire concept of Ikea living. It means also inclusive of their homes. Ikea homes, done by Ikea, designed by Ikea. So I think this is the whole concept of Ikano. Ikano is the Swedish company. Ikea is their store. But Ikano, I think, is more than a retail store. It's actually Ikea living. Okay, any other questions?
Dr. Siri here. Total value for the investment will be announced soon. But just curious that how much actually the Ikea will plan to pump in this project? The roughly figure.
I think I will take your question here. Okay. For example, when CM says that the entire project is going to be co-developed or jointly developed, so we are looking at the entire project to be jointly developed, where IKEA has a substantial role to play, other than IKEA store. Okay, you can even look at least 40% of the amount that I've mentioned will be committed by IKEA and Ikano. Yeah.
Any other questions?
This is also something to do with the second Penang Bridge. I think it's a strategic investment by y'all, right?
Yeah.
Second Penang Bridge coming on stream.
Definitely, as I mentioned, the key to IKEA or biggest commercial center that's going to come to Batu Kawan is the infrastructure. So Penang Bridge the second bridge is one of the key considerations that IKEA and Aspen has, and that's why we choose Batu Kawan as the destination.
So I think we must also realize that this is a green site. And most investors, when talk about coming to a green site, they need to have a very high level of confidence before they come into a green site. And that's why I said there are also many green sites in Malaysia. We were told that the first IKEA store outside KL will not be in Penang. But finally, we are very pleased that the government, through the efforts of everybody here, the EXCO members, PDC, and also of course the private Penang partners. These are not actually outstation partners, they are all local Penang businessmen. And I think it's a credit to the talent and the ability of our Penang businessmen that they are able to attract IKEA to set up their first store in Malaysia outside Kuala Lumpur in Penang. So I think this is a very strong vote of confidence, not only for Penang but also for its people and the corporate culture.
Sorry, one more question. It's just curious that the announcement has made 2007, was made in 2007, and the final decision was made recently. So, do you mind to share with us what's the reason to take so long to consider?
No, it never happened.
Never happened.
That was only a report, but it never happened. It's just a prediction that never happened because there were no plans whatsoever at the time. That's why when we follow up, they said there were no plans in 2007. And we had actually, it was only, we could, there are a lot of middlemen who claim all sorts of things. So finally we could get through to the main company because they don't go operate through middlemen. So we are not, I want to stress here, we are not blaming the media, but I was saying that probably information given that was accurate was given in 2007. And finally, of course, that the fact that the announcement is being made today is because there is direct engagement between these IKEA owners. When I talk about direct engagement, we are talking about right up to the very top, and with the Penang State government through PDC. I think Bobby Chow wants to add one comment. He's very proud of that comment.
Yesterday at the MPSP swearing in ceremony, I was delighted to hear a lot of plans by the council for Seberang. They say the future of Penang is in Seberang Prime. So this is a boost to achieving that.
Okay, any other questions before we go and take pictures? Ada lagi tak? Any questions? Yeah, Aaron, you want to ask something? No, huh? No, what? No question. Actually, they put in a deposit. So that means they have 3 months, within 3 months, but probably can be even be earlier. But they put in a deposit, not refundable. Not refundable. So it's 5 million, but you know when they put in a 5 million ringgit deposit, they are really 100% sure, or else they won't put in the money. So for all our Penang friends, next time you want to buy Ikea, you don't have to go down to KL. Oh, you are an Ikea fan. No, that's outside KL. Cheras is considered KL. So this is the first store outside KL. Yes. Okay, any other questions? Dr. Rusli, you want to say anything? Yeah.
I think overall for Batu Kawan is a lot of exciting things. And so as CM mentioned just now, there will be more announcement to come. And I believe with this coming in of Ikea, definitely a big boost for Seberang price that time.
I just want to make a final point is that this is not, don't take this for granted that this is something to be expected. Actually, there's a lot of hard work put in. It's not easy to attract marquee investors. It's not easy to attract these branded names. Very difficult. You need to put in a lot of hard work, and they have to have a high level of confidence of delivery, as well as our rule of law. I think that one is very important. So, as I said, don't take this for granted, and we are not going to rest on our laurels. I think we still got to put in hard work in order to complete the final plans for Batu Kawan. Okay? And if there are no more questions, then I think we'll go for our short photo session. Please.